Hello guys, I have with me a very unique product from ADA. I have very bad experience with aquarium lily pipe, especially which are made of glass and has very less opening diameter of 13 mm or lower. About 2 times now I have broken the lily pipes while trying to clean with cheap spring brush available online. The same type brush is also present in local stores. These glass lily pipes are way too costly. Unless you have unbreakable lily pipes like Neoflow, there is no worries. But if you have glass lily pipes, buying ADS spring washer brush is a good idea. ADS spring washers can clean any type of tubing, glass, acrylic or any other materials. Currently there are 3 types of ADS spring washers: the SS, then S type and M type ADS spring washers. SS is for 10 diameter pipe, S for 13 diameter pipe and M is for 17 diameter pipe. I have bought the S type ADS spring washers for my 13 diameter Jardini spin lily pipe and the regular intake lily pipes. I will show you how to clean them with ADS spring washers, and if you want to buy any of ADS spring washers, check links in the video description. Unboxing the product is very simple. The package comes with the type of spring washer, that is SS, S or M type. All these spring washers are available at the same price. I have here S type. To unbox, just take out the paper leaflet and take out the rubber end first and then pull the brush end out. It don't come out the other way around, so take a note of that. I don't know what is the use of this red rubber end on the spring washer. If anybody knows, please give a comment about it. Some ADS sellers told me it is for suction purpose, but the way I see it is for pulling purpose. Once you have used the full length of the spring brush while cleaning any long hose or any pipe, you can use the red rubber end to pull it back. Alright, let's get to cleaning small and tricky lily pipes. I am using 10 dia lily pipe and one of it is the spin lily pipe. Firstly, I will clean the inlet pipe. This pipe is bit tricky to clean as the bottom surface is very hard to reach and clean. Wet the inner surface of the pipe and gently push the brush side of the spring washer into the pipe. Make sure you twist the metal rope while pushing the spring washers. Once the spring washer reaches the end of the lily pipe, further push gently and rotate the brush by twisting the metal rope. Try few times and remember to push down the spring washer while rotating it so that the very end of the lily pipe is cleaned completely. If you have cleaned the inlet, cleaning the outlet is very simple and very easy. Just make sure to rotate the brush at the curved passage so that the brush slides through easily. You can use soft bristle toothbrush to clean the outer surfaces and more opened inner surfaces. If the stains are not coming out, which I couldn't find anytime, you can use ADS Purge, which is a detergent that removes algae and stains from glass or diffuser surfaces. Check links to buy the Purge. It is from ADA brand as well. So this is my lily pipes after cleaning with ADS spring washers. Doesn't it look clean? And believe me, cleaning with ADS spring washer is much easier and funful than using other spring brushes available to clean the tubing. The ADS spring washers scores over other spring brushes on the design of the brush. They slide very easily through curved tubing. You don't want to break your lily pipe. That's why I especially recommend these ADS spring washer brushes. What are your thoughts and suggestions? Let me know in the comment section. Like and share this video if you like this product and subscribe to watch my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.